mo?
Hannah Faye po.
Faye, yes.
How old are you?
8 po.
8! Ano pa yung mga iba mong kinakanta?
Tatlong bibe. Gusto niyo bang turuan ko po kayo?
Okay, this is the one thing I don't know. O sige.
Sikat na sikat yan ngayon.
Doing tatlong bibe.
May tatlong bibe akong nakita. Mataba, mapayak, mga bibe. Sa likod ay iisa. Siyang leader na nagsabi ng kwak, kwak. Kwak, kwak, kwak. Siyang leader na nagsabi ng kwak, kwak.
Yan naman. Galing-galing naman.
I'll let them fight it out here.
Cute naman.
Okay. Sorry di ako umikot. I knew you're a tiny little baby. Bibi, right? I knew it. Pero masayang-masaya ako na umikot ang aking coaches. They're gonna fight for you, my little Bibi.
Look at her. Lulunukin ko to. I will not bite you. I just swallow you. Oh, dear. So, sana piliin mo ako kasi talagang in love na ako sa'yo. I will kiss your kilikili later.
How do you beat that? I will kiss your kilikili later. How do you beat that? Right?
Pero Faye, ako muna. And I was like, bibe, 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 oh, like bibe, bibe, no, like bibe, 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 no, like bibe, 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 no. Wala lang, para lang.
Nandyan si Frankie. Anak, mag-sample ka naman. I have no weapon. I have to use you. Come on.
New York City, please go easy on this heart of mine.
That's my daughter!
Good job.
Oh, yes!
Good job.
Congratulations! Ito, seryosohang usapan. Ang nagustuhan ko yung song choice mo. Nagustuhan ko yung delivery mo. Kasi delivery, bata. Hindi ka nagpapanggap na isang singer na that you are not. So sana, ang Familia ang piliin mo.
Sana sa akin ka mapunta kasi napaka-cute mo, napaka nasa tono mo for someone your age.
So, sino, Faye? Sino sa aming dalawa ang pipiliin mo?
Na-idol ko po siya, I see.
I see?
I see Coach Leia.